Some volcanoes can produce eruptions so powerful they release oceans of dust and toxic gases into the air, blocking out sunlight and changing the planet's climate for decades. Here are 4 monster volcanic eruptions from 2021. The Sicilian volcano Etna, Europe's largest active volcano, spewed a column of ash to a height of 9 kilometers. The ash cloud from this most recent activity has risen to a height of around 9,000 meters. A huge cloud of smoke may also be seen from Catania and Taormina. Moving southwestward, moderate lava discharge is visible from the crater's southeastern cone. The cause of these earthquakes is the aforementioned southeastern crater, which is located at an elevation of roughly 2,900 to 3,000 meters above sea level. The National Institute of Volcanology has issued a red warning for aviation. Despite the highest level of concern, Etna's present activities have not impacted Catania International Airport, which is occasionally compelled to cancel flights due to ash buried in its tracks. Mount Etna is constantly monitored by professionals. In general, its operations do not endanger the public. Mount Sinabung in Indonesia has erupted multiple times, producing clouds of scorching ash up to 5 kilometers high. It is the volcano's most powerful eruption since 2010. Sinabung is one of Indonesia's more than 120 active volcanoes. The Sinabung eruption covered 3 districts and turned the sky dark. No injuries have been recorded so far. However, people staying nearby have been relocated, keeping safety concerns in mind. Volcanoes have erupted in Spain's La Palma and Ireland's Fagradalsfjall mountains, forcing authorities to evacuate residents. Volcanoes erupted in both areas due to earthquakes. Authorities in Iceland have asked people not to visit the volcanoes. However, despite warnings, thousands visited the place. Meanwhile, over 5,000 people have been evacuated from the volcano site in Spain. Iceland reported over 4,000 earthquakes in the past 4 weeks. Iceland usually reports 1,000 to 3,000 earthquakes every year. With the eruption of the volcano, the sky lit up with red clouds. A no-fly zone has been established following the eruption of the volcano. Pacaya volcano in Guatemala is still active, with powerful eruptions releasing rivers of lava and ash clouds. Wildfires and the devastation of coffee and avocado farms have been caused by the approaching lava. The activity has produced a lava flow of 2.2 kilometers long on the west flank of the volcano. Despite spectacular eruptions, inhabitants of the surrounding villages have chosen to stay at home.